Okay, good evening class. So we'll wait for a few more seconds for others to join in. Then we'll start our class today. Okay guys, so I'll start today's class by giving you a trick for finding out the squares of number between 50 to 75. Last class, as you know, we have discussed for all the numbers between 25 to 50 how we find the squares of them. So for 50 to 75, how we will find the squares of the numbers. See, a number is 65. 65 square is what? 4225. How did I get it? 65 minus 50 is 15. Okay, 15 square is 15 square is 225. And 25 plus 15 is what? 40. So I've written 40 here. Add it 4225. Is everybody able to hear me? Am I audible to everybody? Okay, great. I believe I'm audible to everybody. So let me start this once again. So in last class I taught about how we'll find the squares of numbers between 50 to 25 to 50. So this time we'll calculate for all the numbers between 50 to 75. How to find the squares of all the numbers between 50 to 75. So between 50 to 75, 50 between 50 to 20. Okay, the paint, there was a problem with the paint, so I'll get it once again. So those of you who have not attended the last class, the recording is there on the website. You can actually download there or you can listen there. So let me start. For all the numbers between 50 to 75, how we'll find the squares. Suppose I take a number as 55. So 55 square is what? 3025. How did I find out? 55 minus 50 is 5. So add 5 to 25. So 25 plus 5 is 30. So I've written 30 and square this number. Square this number. So 3025. So similarly, Now I have to find out okay, let me repeat once again for everybody. Is the screen visible to everybody? Okay. Hope screen is available to everybody. Okay, great. Let me explain once again what I was talking. So for all the numbers between 50 to 75, how we will find a square? I have taken a number as 55. So 55 square is 3025. How did I get 55 minus 50 is equal to 5, and 25 plus 5 is 30. So 30, then write 5 square. So 3025. Now similarly, if you want to find squares of 65, so 65 square is 65 minus 50 is 15. Add this 15 to 25, you get what? 40. Square this 15, so 225. Now add this, so 4225. Everybody got this? Everybody got this? Okay, okay guys. So this is how you will find the squares of numbers from 50 to 75. Now you have to find out the squares of numbers from 75 to 100. How will you find out? So suppose I am taking number as 95. So 95 square is what? 9025. How did I find out? 95 minus 5. 95 minus 5 is 90, and square 5, 25. So this 5 I am getting after subtracting this from 100. Suppose I am getting a number as 76. 76 square is what? 76 square, how can you find out 76 square? So 76 square can be found out. 100 minus 76 is 24. 24 square is 576. So I have written 576. And 76 minus 24 is 52. So write 52 above. Sum it. So it will be 5776. So 5776 will be the squares of 76. Everybody got this? Let me explain it once again with a number called 81. 81 square is what? 6561. How did you get it? 81 minus 19 is 100 minus 81 is what? 19. Square of 19 is what? 361. Subtract 19 from 8. What is it? 62. Right here, 62 361. You get what? 6561. Did you get it? Anybody has a problem still? Anybody still has a problem? Ritvik, we got it? Okay. Okay guys, now we'll move ahead to our class. Remember this. So in this way you have found out the squares of any number between 0 to 100. You can easily find out without even a blink of a second. So we'll move ahead to our class today. So for 25 to 50 I have explained in my first class. So those who have not attended the first class, they can actually go and listen to my lecture. Okay guys, moving ahead to questions today. So I have developed some 14 questions for today. So I don't know how much we will be able to solve in interest of our time. So we'll go ahead with first 3 questions. Hope everybody has received these questions. Everybody has received these questions. Anybody has not received these questions? Okay. For those who have not received the questions, I'm putting this on the chat window. So I've put first 3 questions on the chat window. So you can take it from there. So first 3 questions. I'll give you 5 minutes to solve these questions. And then I'll review these questions and then we can move ahead. So 7:14 is the time. 7:19 we'll discuss these questions. Okay. Meanwhile, whoever is solving the questions, put your answer in the chat window so I may be aware that you are solving along with me. Okay. Okay guys, 5 minutes for these questions. Okay guys, time is up. So we'll see first 3 questions one by one. So the questions are posted in chat window, and for those who have just joined in, you have not missed much. First 3 questions we have been solving. So I've given 5 minutes. So I'll solve first 3 questions for you now. So first is a little tricky question. So those who have not received the question, they can get on the chat window. So, and let me put it once again for chat window. So I put in chat window on once again so you can see. Okay guys, so question number 1. Question number 1, what does it say? It says the largest among the following that will perfectly divide 101 to the power 100 minus 1. So it is 101 to the power 100 minus 1, which will perfectly divide. So 101 minus 1 will be what? 100. So 100 will perfectly divide. 101 square minus 1 will be what? 10201 minus 1. So 10200. So 100 will perfectly divide. 101 cube minus 1 will be what? 1003001 minus 1. So 1003000. Again 100 will perfectly divide. So what you can actually infer from it is 101 to the power 1 till 101 to the power 9 will have 100 in the end. 101 in the end. And if subtract minus 1, so it will have 100 in the end. So 100 will perfectly divide it. Similarly, 101 to the power 10 till 101 to the power 99 will have 1001 in the end. So minus 1 means 1000 will perfectly divide. Similarly, 101 to the power 100 minus 1 will have 1000 in the end. So 10,000 will perfectly divide it. So this is how on symmetry you can easily solve this. There is a different way, which is a longer way. On a symmetry basis, you can actually say it that 10,000 will easily divide, will perfectly divide 101 to the power 100 minus 1. Okay. I'll give you one more way, which is a more logical way for you all, but it's a lengthier way. So 101 to the power 100 minus 1, this is what we need to find out. So 101 minus 1, 100. 101 whole square minus 1, 10201 minus 1. So 10200 means 100 will perfectly divide this. Similarly, 101 to cube minus 1, so 100301 minus 1, so 1. So again 100 will perfectly divide this. 100 will perfectly divide this. Now moving on, 100. So similarly we can say that 101 to the power 1 till 101 to the power 9 minus 1 will always be perfectly divisible by 100. 101 to the power 10 till 101 to the power 99 can be perfectly divisible by 1000, and 101 to the power 100 minus 1 will thus be divisible by 10,000. So this is on symmetry you can say it. Now you have, hope everybody is clear with this. Okay. Now there is a different way. 101 to the 101 to the power 100 minus 1. That it can be written 100 1 plus 100 to the power 100 minus 1. So expand it. What you will get? 1 plus NC1 100 plus NC2 100 square plus so on NC, where N is 100 here, and N is 100 here. So NC 100, NC 100 to the power 100, 100 to the power 1, that has already been written. Just a minute, I think it is getting a little confusing for you, so let me do it once again for you. So 100 plus 1 to the power 100, binomial expanded, so it will be 100 C 1 100 plus 100 C 2 100 square plus 1. Okay, now if you simplify it, so first expression will become what? 100, 10,000. Second will become what? 495 into 10 to the power 5 plus something plus 1. So in the end, what you will get? X 00001 something, this expression you will get. You subtract minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be divisible by 10,000. So maximum you can get this 10,000 in the end. Yes, this is binomial theorem Aparna. Everybody is clear with this? It still has a problem, anybody? Anybody still has a problem in this? Just raise in next 2 seconds. Okay. So both these methods you can use. This is a longer method. Whichever, this is a much logical method though. And first is on symmetry. If you are equipped with doing symmetry, that will also work fine. And I'll give you another way to actually solve this question. What is another way? You can easily see 100 to the power 100 can never be an answer. And 100 will never be an answer. So what you have to choose is between 10,000 and 100,000. Now you solve this. So you are down to two options and you can solve in this. Okay. Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2, find the remainder when first 1000 digits of a number P is divided by 16. So what is P? P is 1, 2, 3, 4 till 1000 it has been written sequentially. So P has been written as 1, 2, 3, 4 till 1000 sequentially. So what is asking? First 1000 digit. So 1000 digit, what will be the number? First you have to find out. So 1, 2, so all single digit number will be what? 9 digits. Now you have to find double digit number, 99. So how many digits it will be? 90 into 2, 180. 180. So 180. So single digit you have find out is 9 digits. 2 digits is this is 9 digits. This you have found out as 180 digits, all 2 digits. Now 3 digits numbers. So 189 you have found out. So what is left? 1000 minus 189. 1000 minus 189. So 811 digits you have to find out what it will be. All are 3-digit numbers, so 811 by 3. Which will be that number? So it will be approximately 270. So it will be 99 plus 270 plus 1 digit. Okay, let me explain once again. So it is given numbers are written sequentially from 1, 2, 3, 4 till 1000. So what you have? You have 1-digit numbers, you have 2-digit numbers, you have 1-digit number, you have 2-digit numbers, and you have 1-digit number, you have 2-digit number, and you have 3-digit number and 1 4-digit number, that is 1000. So 1-digit number, how many numbers? 1 till 9, 1, 2, 3 till 9. 2-digit number 10, 11, 12, 13 till 99. 3-digit number 100, 101, 102 till you have 999. So the number of digits in 1-digit number is what? 9. 9 is the number of digit in 1-digit number. 99, 10 to 99, how many digits it will be? 90 into 2, 180. So 1-digit number is 9, 2-digit number is 189. So 3-digit number, what is left? We have to find out of 100 digits, 888, 11. Ritvik, 90 into 2, because number of digits we are finding out. All 2-digit number will be having 2 digits, and they are 92-digit numbers. So 90 into 2, 180. Okay. So 180 digits. Now we have to find out next how many digits we have to find out. We have 100 digits, so 1000 digits. So 1000 minus 189, 811 digits. 811 digits, all numbers are 3-digit numbers. So we'll divide it by 3. So it will come out to be approximately 270 plus 1 more digit. So till 189 digits, till 189 we have completed what? Till number 99. Now we have to do 270 plus 1 digit. So it will be 369. Okay, plus 1 additional digit. So it will be 369, 370. So this will be the last 4 digit of 1000 number. So you can find out the remainder of this by 69. So 3693 by 16. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 13. Still somebody has a problem? Should I explain it once again? Okay, let me explain once again. So we have to, what is the question? Question is, we have to find out 10,000, first 1000 digit. Let me read one more time. Find the remainder when first 1000 digit of number P is divided by 16. How can you find out what is the divisibility rule of 16? Last 4 digit, whatever you have for a number, what is what remainder you get by dividing it by 16, that will be the remainder. So last 4 digit of that 1000 digit number, that we need to find out. Everybody is clear with this? So we are doing the same. So we are finding out, see, this is a number A which has 1000 digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4 till 1000 digit you have. 1000 digits you have for this number. Okay. So in this 1000 digit, we have to find out last 4 digit. Last 4 digit, for finding out last 4 digit, we'll find out how many one digit number is there. So one digit number will be from here till here, so it will be 9. Okay, now you have to find out all two digit numbers. So two digit number will be from 10 till 99. So how many 180 digits are there? 1 to 9 will be 9 digits. 10 to 99 will be 180 digits. How many digits have been done? 189. And how many digits we have to find out? Till 1000. So how many are left? Next is 811. Okay, so 811 will be all 3 digits numbers. Okay, so how many 3 digit number will be there? Till what we have to find out? This will be 270 plus 1 digit. Okay, now till 189 we have completed. Till 189 we have completed 99 till 99. Now for those who have entered just now, I cannot repeat everything once again. So you can look through my video. Okay, so 1 to 9 will be 9 digits. 10 to 99 will be 180 digits. So 189 will be digits from 1 to 99 have been written. So from 99 onwards means 100, 101, 102, all numbers will be 3 digits. Okay, so till what number we have to count so as to get 1000 digits? So the left is 811 digits. So 811 digits will be divided by 3 because all numbers will be 3 digit number. So if you get it, so it will be through 270 plus one more digit. Okay, so 270 plus one more digit. So that number will be what? That number will be 99, 270, so 369. So number will be written something like this: 369, 370, 371. Something is going on from here. Okay, so here we have completed the 100,000 digits. 1000, last 4 of 1000 digit number. So you have to find out the remainder with 16. So what you have to do is 36393 upon 16. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 13. Has everybody got it or still has a problem? Still anybody has a problem? Okay guys. See the number will be written as 1, 2, 3, then 9, then 10, 11, 99, then 100, 101 till 1000. Okay, so these are what? Single digit number. These are all 2 digit number. These are all 3 digit number. So there are two things. One is the value of the number. Second is the number of digits. So you will get 9 digits here. You will get 180 digits here. And here you have to find out till 1000th digit. So till 1000th digit, how many numbers will be? 811. So all 3 you can do it. 270 plus 1 digit. So you can find out 270 plus this 99 plus 1. So 369 plus 1, 370. So 369, 3. 3693 divided by 16. So what will be the remainder? That will be. Okay guys, moving ahead. Next question. Find the remainder when P is divided by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? The sum of the numbers divided by 9. Okay. So you have to find out the sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers, see, from 1 till 9. What is the sum of the numbers? Sum of is 45. Okay. So from 1 to 999, all numbers will be what? Of the form, if you sum all the numbers, it will be form of 45k, because each of the number 1, 2, 3, so on till 9 will appear equal number of times. So this sum will be 45k. So sum of the numbers will be of form 45k plus 1. This 1 is from 1000, that has been written last. So remainder will be what? 1. 1 will be remainder. Everybody got this? Still has a problem, anybody? I'll give you 2 seconds for this to raise any problem if you have. Okay. See, from 1 to 9, sum will be what? 45. So 1 to 999, it will be, the sum of the numbers will be of form 45k, because each of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 will occur equal number of times. So it will be of form 45k. And the last number is what? 1000. So last number is 1000. So 1000 sum of digit is 1. 1000 sum of digit is 1. So 45k plus 1. So it will be 45k plus 1 upon 9. Those who are asking 10, 20, 30, 40, so sum those numbers. It will occur one number of time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will again be of 45k. Okay. Everybody got this? Nisha, what would have been if the question is different? I won't be able to answer that. So that you need to find out again on this logic itself. It will be find out. You can find out on that logic only. 100th digit. Okay. Okay, guys. So moving ahead to question number. Hope everybody is clear with this. Okay. Moving ahead to question number 4, 5 and 6. I'll give you 5 minutes again to solve these 3 questions. So we'll again review at 7:47. I've pasted the question in chat window for those who have not received this question. So Okay guys, let me solve question number 4. So question number 4, let n be a different 5-digit number of different 5-digit number divisible by 4 with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No digit being repeated in the numbers. So what it is asking, is the number of digits of number of 5 different 5-digit numbers. So what is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Okay. So how many numbers can be formed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with last 2 digit to be divisible by 4. So last 2 digit can be what? These only 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 5, 2, 5, 6 and 6, 4 in order to get it divisible by 4. Okay. Now these three digits can be filled in how many ways? 4 into 3 into 2 ways. So 4 into 3 into 2, that is 12 into 2, 24 ways. And how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 into 24 is what? 24 into 8 will be what? 192. So 192 is the number of ways, number of 5 different 5-digit number. Everybody is clear with this? Everybody clear? Anybody has a problem? Just raise it right now. Next 4 seconds. Okay. I believe everybody is clear with this. Let me summarize once again. Karunesh, where is 8 following here? Okay. So you have to find out how 5-digit numbers which has to be divisible by 4. So last 2 digits will be what? 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 5, 2, 5, 6 and 6, 4. So 8 different formats it can be there. So these 3 digits can be filled in how many? 4, 3 and 2. So 4 into 3 into 2, 24 ways, and 8 are the different patterns. So 24 into 8, 192. We'll go ahead and mark option 192. Okay. Moving on to question number 5. 3 coins of weight 780 gram, 840 gram and 960 gram are cut into small pieces, all of which have equal weight. Each piece must be as heavy as possible. If one such piece is shared between 2 persons, then how many persons are needed to give the pieces of coins? Okay, so it's a simple question of SCF. So what is the SCF? HCF of these 3 numbers 7, 80, 840 and 960 will be what? 60. So the number of pieces required will be 780 upon 60 plus 840 upon 60 plus 960 upon 60, which is equal to what? 13 plus 14 plus 16, which is equal to 43. Now each has to be shared with 2 persons, so 43 into 2, 86. 86 will be the answer. So we'll go ahead and mark option number 1, 86. It is written, if one such piece is to be shared with 2 persons, so how many persons are needed? So it will be 86. So don't leave this amendment, 2 persons. So There will be option both 43 and 86. So you can get confused. So 86 will be the answer. Anybody has a problem with this question? 5 seconds I'll give for them to raise right now. Okay. I believe everybody is clear with this. Okay, moving on to question number 6. This is a little tricky question. Read this question clearly. Each of X alarm tolls at regular intervals. All of them toll together 12 times a day. No two alarms at equal intervals of time. If each alarm tolls after a whole number of minutes, what is the maximum possible value of X? So the alarm tolls together how many times? 12 times a day. Together they will toll how many times? Together they will toll 12 times a day. Together they will toll together 12 times a day. Now 12 times means therefore they will toll together once every 2 hours. That means 120 minutes. So every 120 minutes they will toll together. Now what it is asking, if each alarm tolls after a whole number of minutes, what is the maximum possible value of X? Maximum possible value of X will be what? Nothing but the number of factors of 120. So number of factors of 120, how will you find out? 120 is equal to what? 2 cube into 3 into 5. So number of factors will be what? 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 4 into 2 into 2, that is 16. So the maximum value of X will be what? 16. Vivek, you are right. So anybody has a problem still? Anybody has a problem with this question? Okay, Mohammed, let me explain it once again for everybody. So what it is saying, that the alarm, it is saying each of X alarms tolls at regular intervals and all of them tolls together 12 times a day. 12 times a day means what? Every 2 hours they are tolling together. They are ringing together every 2 hours. So 2 hours will be what? 120 minutes. Now it is also saying no two alarm at equal intervals of time. No two alarms are at equal intervals of time. So if each alarm is tolled after a whole number of minutes. So whole number of minutes means in this 120 minutes. A whole number of minutes, there is a difference between two tolls. So how many factors of X will be what? The factors that we have for 120 minutes. So 120, the number of factors, that will be the maximum possible value of X. So Mohammed, you got how 20 minutes come? Okay. So it will be nothing but the factor of 120s. The number of factors of 120. Number of factor of 120 will be what? 16. Number of distinct factors, I mean, of 120. Got it, everybody? Okay. Okay. Moving ahead. Question number 7, 8, and 9. I'll give you 5 minutes for these questions, 7, 8, and 9. So for those who have not got the questions, I've pasted in chat window, so you can take it from there. Here you are, Vaishnavi, you are able to hear me now? Okay guys, I don't think we have much time, so I'll explain these questions so you can do it afterwards as well. So because question number 7 is a very important question, it can actually come in your examination, or form of this question can come in your examination. Okay, let me explain question number 7. So question number 7, what it says is that a person uses base x for a number system where x is less than or equal to 10. A student had to add two digit numbers. None of the digit was 0. By oversight, he reversed the digits of both the numbers and added them. Later, he found out the difference between his answer and the correct answer was minus 84. If the value is the maximum possible value of x, then what is the value of x? Okay. What is the value of x? Suppose it's a base in base. Suppose base is 10. The number is of form PQ and reverse is QP. Okay. So PQ is what? Suppose it is 29 and he did it is 92. Okay. So difference of this will be what? Difference of 92 and 29 will be 363. So 63 will be nothing but what? P minus Q into x minus 1, where x is the base. Okay. Okay, the question is that a number in a certain base number in a certain base which is less than 10. Okay, he has to add 2-digit numbers. A guy has to add 2-digit number. He actually reversed the numbers and added it. Now the difference of the real sum and the sum he got is minus 84. So what is the maximum possible value of x? He is asking what is the maximum possible value of base x which has been used. What I am saying is, take a base as 10. What the number we have taken? Base as 10. So if we have taken a base as 10, okay, base we have taken 10. Suppose the number, some number which had to come was PQ. So PQ came as 29. Suppose it came at 29. Now what was the reversal of that? Was QP. What it came was 92. The difference of this was what? 63. Okay. Now 63, if you actually see, is nothing but the difference between these two numbers, PQ and x minus 1, the base. Base is 10 minus 1. See. So it will be nothing but P minus Q is 7. It's not 82, Abhimanyu, it's 92. The difference is, that is 92. Sorry, it is 92. It's not 82. Okay. So it will be 7 into what? 10 minus 1, 9. 63. That is how it will be. So 63 is the difference between the reverse of those numbers and the original that had to come. Everybody is clear with this? I have taken a number in base 10. Suppose the number which had to come was PQ and the value was 29. Now the number came as QP, so it will be 92. So the difference will be 63. So 63 is actually of the form, it will always be of the form P minus Q into x minus 1. You can check it with any of the question. Okay. Guys, if it is saying that it is sum of two numbers, how does it matter? The sum came as PQ. I am saying the sum came as PQ. Whatever may be the two different 2-digit number, it does not even matter. Okay. The different 2-digit number, it does not matter. I am saying that sum of that number, 2-digit number, came as PQ. And the reversal of that will be QP. Okay. So PQ, everybody got this till now. Anybody still has a problem? Don't remember this formula. This is nothing, no formula. This is very simple. If you see the base minus 1, why base minus 1? I am saying because as soon as the base becomes 10, a number is added there. Okay. Let the 2-digit number he got, which was the original sum was 29. Now he got reversal of it. He got QP. It will be 92. What is the difference of it? Is 63. So 63 will be form of the difference of these 2 digits into base minus 1. So difference of 2 digit is 7. Base minus 1 will be 9. So 7 into 9 will be 63. Okay, everybody clear? Still anybody has a problem with this? Anybody has an issue with this? Raise it right now, please. Okay, I believe everybody is clear with this then. Let me move ahead. Okay, Nishant. Okay, let me explain once again with some more example. Hope you will be clear with that. See, sum of the numbers, it came out as PQ. It is say 27. Okay. Now the sum of reversal was what? QP. So it was what? 72. Now the difference of 27 and 72 will be what? 45. Yes, PQ is the sum of the numbers and QP will be sum of the reversals. Okay. PQ, this will be of form what? 7 minus 2 into 10 minus 1. So it will be 5 into 9, 45. Okay. Got it, everybody? Got it till now? I am taking when it is in base 10. Now we don't know the base. The base needs to be found out now. Now put this thing into our question. So the difference, the maximum, when it is asking what? It is asking that what is the maximum possible value of X? So PQ, okay, PQ will be maximum when? PQ will be maximum when it will be X minus 1 and 1. Okay. PQ, the value of PQ will be maximum when P is X minus 1 and Q is 1. Okay. So the difference if you see is P minus Q into X minus 1. Okay. So the value, this value will be maximum when what? When P and Q is X minus 1 and 1. Okay. People asking why? See, any digit, any in any base, any number n will never be equal to its base. It will always be, the maximum value it can get is X minus 1. That is base minus 1. See, in base 10, the maximum single digit you can get was this 9. That is base minus 1. Okay. The maximum digit you can get is 9. So the maximum P minus Q can get, P can get is X minus 1 and 1 will be Q. Then only P minus Q will be maximum. P minus Q will be maximum when P and Q are X minus 1 and 1. You are not getting, guys? Nishant, where have I taken 7? 7 is for example that I have taken for a 10 digit number. 10 digit, base 10 number. Okay. I have said difference. 7 minus 2 is difference. It's difference. It's not absolute. It's difference. Okay. So that is why I have written 7 minus 2, not 2 minus 7. Okay. Chalo, I'll move ahead with this. See. So, where were we? P minus Q into X minus 1. Now, this will be maximum when P is X minus 1 and Q is 1. So, this will be what? X minus 2. This expression will reduce to what? X minus 2 into X minus 1. Okay, so the difference, so it is written the difference is what? Difference is 84. Difference is 84. The difference of the number PQ and QP is 84. Oh, sorry, minus 84. Okay. So 2. Okay. So the sum of two numbers and the sum of reverses will be what? The sum of these two numbers and sum of the reverses, sum of these two numbers and sum of the reverses will be what? 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 1. This will be equal to 84. See, we have got x minus 2 into x minus 1. X minus 1. Okay, so the difference is this value. The difference is this value. Now the sum plus sum, now the sum of these two numbers plus the difference of these two numbers will be what? Will be 84. Okay, which is also equal to 2 times x minus 2 into x minus 1. Has everybody got this or not? Sum of the two numbers and sum of the two reverses will be equal to x minus 2 times the difference. See why we are writing 2, because it was minus 84. Okay, minus 84. So what it was? 27 and 72. Difference is what? 45. Okay, difference is what? 45. Now sum of these two numbers and the difference of these two numbers. So it is saying sum of the reverse, sum of the two numbers and sum of the reverses will be what? It will be actually 2 times the difference of these numbers, difference of the two numbers. Okay, so this value is equal to what? 84. Now solve this equation. Solve this equation. 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 84. So x minus 2 into x minus 1 will be what? 42. So x will be what? 8. So you can go ahead and mark option C. Got it, everybody? Still, if you have a problem, you can go through the answer sheet. It's not a problem. Okay. Moving on to question number 8 now. Okay. Moving on to question number 8. Question number 8, what does it say? Question number 8 says the n is the smallest number that has 5 factors. How many factors does n minus 1? How many factors does n minus 1 have? N minus 1 have. Okay. So what will be the number? The smallest number will be a prime number to the power 4 that will have 5 factors. Okay. Now the smallest prime number is 2, so 2 to the power 4, it will be 16. So it is saying n minus 1. N minus 1 means 16 minus 1, that is 15. So factors of 15 will be what? 1, 3, 5 and 15, that is 4. So we can go ahead and mark option number, whatever the option which has 4, option number C. Anybody has a problem with this? Let me repeat this once again. See, it is saying, the question is saying the n is the smallest number that has 5 factors. The smallest number which has 5 factors will be what? Prime number to the power 4. Now the smallest prime number is 2, so 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 16 is the smallest number which will have 5 factors. So 16 minus 1 will be what? N minus 1 will be what? 16 minus 1, that is 15. So 15, so 1, 3, 5 and 15. So these are the 4 factors. Why use prime number? Any of the number, if it is not prime, it will be reduced to prime when you are finding a factor. Hope you remember this, Rishabh. See, if you are writing 12, so 12 is written how? 2 into 2 into 3. So it is actually 2 to the power 2 into 3. So this is a prime number, this is a prime number. So here this will always be a prime number when you are finding the number of factors. Okay, Rishabh, I think you got this. So p to the power 4 will have 5 factors. So 2 is the minimum prime number that we have. So 2 to the power 4, 16, n minus 1 is 15. So 15, what is the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. So 4 number of factors is 15 is 4. So we'll go ahead and mark option number C. Okay, this is a very good question again. Ram and Shyam take a vacation at the grandparents' house. During the vacation, they do an activity together. Either they play tennis in the evening or practice yoga in morning, ensuring that they do not undertake both the activities on any single day. Question number 8, everybody was clear? Anybody had a problem till now? I believe you don't have. Okay. Okay guys, moving ahead to question number 9. Ram and Shyam take a vacation at the grandparents' house. During the vacation, they do any activity together. They either play tennis in the evening or practice yoga in the morning. See, this question you need to actually read thoroughly. It's a very easy question, but you need to read thoroughly. What it is saying, either they play tennis in the evening or practice yoga in the morning, ensuring that they do not undertake both the activities on a single day. Okay, there are some days when they did nothing. Out of the days that they stayed at grandparents' house, they were involved in one of the 2 activities on 22 days. However, their grandmother, while sending an end of the vacation report to their parents, stated that they did not do anything on 24 mornings and they did not do anything on 12 mornings. Okay. So how many number of days they stayed? Say they stayed T days. So T minus 24 mornings they did yoga, and T minus what is that 12. T minus 12 evening they played tennis. Okay. Now what it is saying? It is saying on 22 days they were involved in one activity, and they either played tennis in the evening or practiced yoga in the morning. So they did not do both the things together on the same day. So the sum of these, T minus 24 and T minus 12, will be equal to what? 22. So 2T minus 36 is equal to 22, or T is equal to what? 29 days. Is everybody clear with this? So the question is that 2 person either did yoga in the morning or did tennis in the evening, but they did not do both the thing together on a single day. Okay. Then they are saying that on 22 days they did something. On 22 days they either played yoga, they either practiced yoga or played tennis. Okay, number of days. And also it is saying that the 24 mornings they did not do anything, and on 12 evenings they did not do anything. That means if T is the total number of days, so on T minus 24 days they practiced yoga, and T minus 12 evenings they played tennis. So, and both the things on T minus 12 days, on T minus 12 evenings they played, on T minus 12 evenings they played tennis, and T minus 24 mornings they practiced yoga. And both this sum should be equal to what? 22 days. So what we have said, T minus 24 morning yoga, T minus 22 evening tennis. So these two should be equal to what? 22. So T minus 24 plus T minus 12 will be what? 27. 2T plus minus 36 is equal to 22. T is equal to 29. Everybody clear with that? Or anybody still has a problem? Clear? Okay. Okay guys. So actually I have to finish the class today now. So we have discussed some of the good questions today. Hope you enjoyed this. So rest all questions you can see. I'll share the questions and answers both with you. You can actually see both the things, and in case of any problem you can raise in next class, or you can send me an email on that. Everybody will get all the questions with the answers with this video on the website. Okay. So YMC and people who actually have not received the question sheet, they have to contact Mindworks admin. So they will be sending you all these things. Question number 9 once again. So let me repeat once again. So they are saying, see, for those who did not get it, let the total number of days that they did is T days. Okay. What it is saying, on T minus 24 days means 24 mornings they did not do anything. So T minus 24 mornings actually they practiced yoga, because T is the total number of days. So on 24 mornings they did not do anything. So T minus 24 mornings they have to do anything, that is yoga. And T 12 evenings they did not do anything. So that means T minus 24 evenings they have to play tennis. Okay. So, and these two will be equal to what? 22 days, because if they are playing, they are practicing yoga in the morning, so they are not playing tennis in the evening. So these are not mutually they are mutually exclusive actually. So this should be equal to 22. So you can combine this 2T minus, so you get the equation 2T minus 36 is equal to 22, or T is equal to 29. Okay guys. Okay, let me finish the class today. Thanks everybody. Good evening. Good night.